What's up, internet marketers? Like Pause, and today I have another case study for you where I'm going to show you how to make money online with Pinterest and digital products. Okay, this is without any expensive software, without showing your face or doing any type of content writing. If you're like me, I hate writing articles. It's the truth. And yeah, it does work. You know, you can get traffic via Google with SEO, but it takes a long time. Okay. Also, this is a newbie-friendly method. This method's all about asset building, and it's semi-set and forget. I say semi because, well, I had this product, this printable digital product that was selling well, okay? But then it started to dip. Let me show you real quick here. You can see here, it's the Mustache Little Man Baby Shower printable game set, right? Let me expand that for you. And as you can see, I've only made $367. I've only sold 34 units. As you can see, there's a big uptrend for this product. So I know it converts. I know people want it, but then it slowly dips down, and it correlates perfectly with a dip in traffic for this keyword. Okay, and I know for a fact people are still searching for it, because if I go to my pin keyword finder, even I don't have to put baby shower. If I just put mustache baby shower theme comes up. Okay, so people are still searching for it. I have a proven product. So the problem is the traffic source has gone down. Maybe my pin, because I'm getting traffic to this product via Pinterest, maybe my pin isn't performing as good as it did. So it's up to me to create a new pin or several new pins to get that traffic back using very basic SEO. Okay. Another thing, if you watch this video to the very end, I'm going to show you how to fast track your way to actual results. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay. So this is a product. Again, it's proven to convert. It's a keyword people are searching for. The traffic is still there, but it's not coming to my site. How am I going to fix this? Well, I'm going to go to Canva. Canva is a free, it's not free, it's paid, but I just use the free version. I don't pay for this Canva. If I don't pay for it, I don't see why you should pay for it. And I can create my video Pinterest pins on Canva without showing my face, without speaking, without doing much, okay? Just using what I find on Canva. Really important stuff, okay? So this is the template here. As you can see, it's very simple. I have a very clear and specific call to action, and now I'm explaining it to you right now. I say click read it, and I add this to almost all of my video Pinterest pins now. Why? Well, let me explain. Around 80 or 70% of the people who use Pinterest via their mobile phone, okay? And with the mobile phone, if you're watching a video Pinterest pin, you actually have to scroll down and click the link, which is under a button called Read It, before you can leave the Pinterest platform. Now with Pinterest image pins, you just click the image and you're off. You're off to that person's website, to their landing page. But with video pins, you want to scroll down and click the read it button. So I make sure I tell my audience that, right? I say click read it. Many times before I did this, my traffic on Pinterest would ask me, how do I get it? How do I go to your site? And I tell them to click the read it button, because they're using it via mobile, like I said, okay? So you might be asking yourself, well, Ike, why on earth are you doing video pins if Pinterest pins, just regular image pins, are much easier? Well, here's the thing. Right now, currently, it's January 2020, January year 2020, the 16th of January, like I said. Pinterest is pushing video. They love video. Any kind of videos that people upload, they push the hell out of it. They put it in front of a bunch of eyeballs every single day, right? But the impressions are there, the views are there. The problem is people aren't clicking through, because people on Pinterest are slowly starting to learn how to use it, and it's up to you to help them. So always use this specific CTA. Click read it and let them know that they have to click read it if they want to actually get what you're offering, right? And I want to show you the three different animated elements within my Pinterest pin. You have what's called a sticker. This is an arrow sticker pointing below, because when you're scrolling on your mobile phone, you're scrolling down, or you're scrolling up to go down. I have this mustache pulsating hat and mustache, and I have this video in the background of a person sprinkling glitter onto the floor, and I have a very clear description of what I have here: mustache baby shower. Actually, it's not very clear. I should have games there somewhere. I forgot to put that down, but I'm going to show you how to do this, right? So what you want to do is, when you go to Canva, you're going to want to go to Pinterest graphic. Click that, right? And here I have just a basic little image of the template for my actual mustache baby shower game. I'm gonna add this little video here. I'm gonna show you right quick. Actually, this is a little cumbersome. I'm gonna use maybe a different one, just for example's sake. Okay, this one here. Expand that. And maybe I just want to use the top part. So I'm going to position the image forward, so people are going to see this top part. And I'm going to write here, I'm going to put in some text. Let me put in some text. I'm going to expand that to, I don't know, 80. I'm going to write click read it. Okay. And I'm going to put an arrow element here. So in elements, you want to go to what's called a sticker. Stickers are these animated little GIFs that you can add to your video Pinterest pins. So you see here, stickers, I'm going to click on see all. And I'm going to go to arrow stickers, because arrows are the most important ones in my opinion. And I'm going to click this arrow here. I'm just showing you how to create one easily. You rotate it to your desired direction. Okay, 1 second. That's cool. The Canva is running a little slow because I'm running my screen capture video device in the background, so that's why it's moving a little slow. So you gotta bear with me, and you can see how I get a ton of traffic. And I do the same thing in the internet marketing niche. So this works for any niche. I'm gonna do that. That looks pretty interesting, right? What do you say? I'm gonna actually move it up a little bit more. Yep. Like that. Click read it. And I'm gonna write in another one. I'm gonna click duplicate. And I'm gonna write mustache. What did I just do? There you go. Mustache baby shower games. like that. I'm gonna look for another element. In my game design, I use Charlie Chaplin, like a silhouette of Charlie Chaplin. I wonder if I can get one of those here. These Charlie Chaplins, I don't know about them. Some of them look like Hitler. That's not cool. Let's go with another design here. Let's go with another element. I'm gonna use the boulder hat again. So I'm gonna go to stickers and just, you know, be imaginative, be creative. You want to grab people's attention at the same time, direct them to your value, to what you're offering, right? Mustache. Let me see what comes up. I'm gonna use this guy again, this little sticker. I'm gonna center it. Cool. And I'm gonna actually get another arrow. And what you want to do here, now this is kind of, I created this on the go here, so maybe, you know, you should take your time with it. But you definitely want to play around with it and be, like I said, be creative. You want some colors to disrupt. It's perfect. So this, you got this arrow coming in on one side. I'm gonna have one more arrow. Maybe this one here. Kind of goes along with the color palette. Wouldn't you agree? Let me shrink that down. Bring that over. Wait. Undo. Made a mistake. Listen, I hope you're enjoying this. This is a very important skill to have if you want to get free traffic. Okay. Now, one thing to remember on my Facebook group today, someone was asking about if they can direct link their Pinterest pin, be it a video image, directly to a raw affiliate link. And you definitely can. Some networks Pinterest doesn't like very much, but like the big ones, ClickBank, Max Bounty, you can. That being said, I would advise against it. You might get some conversions, but Pinterest prefers that you use the website that's connected to your account. Okay, I'm pretty much done here. I'm going to download this now. I'm going to download it as a video. So I'm going to click download as a video and as a PNG. Really important, okay? Since I already have an example here, I'm going to use this right here to show you, right? So, as you can see, it looks very much like the one we just created over here, okay? So I always download not only the video version but the image version, because when you upload your video, they also ask you to upload an image, kind of like a YouTube thumbnail but for Pinterest. Okay, and I have my main keyword is mustache baby shower theme, and I added games and I added 12 stunning. Okay, you don't just want your long tail keywords, you want to spruce it up with a enticing, maybe clickbaity type of headline that includes your keyword. Very important stuff. Okay, so I got my link that points to my product, my proven product, and I'm gonna hashtag it up. Baby. It's interesting though. They don't have all of the. They don't have all of the. Oh, mustache party. They don't have all of the hashtags that I know people use. So, for example, if you're in internet marketing and you want to make like a make money online pin, I know people use that hashtag on Pinterest, but if you use it on their official hashtag creator thing here, it doesn't show up. Very weird. So I'm gonna add it myself. I'm gonna add baby shower here. For example, I know people look for baby shower on Pinterest, but it's not part of their official thing here. So I'm gonna add baby shower there. I'm gonna add mustache. I'm gonna add what else? Baby shower games. Okay, cool. Now I want to add a short little description with my keywords in it. And I like to have my keyword up front and center. Grab your mustache baby shower games. These mustache games are fun and exciting. Your guests will love them very much. Each baby shower game, each mustache baby shower game is a proven party pleaser. Is pleaser an actual word? Is a proven party starter. Make sure you grab all 12 games for your boy. Mustache. And that's it. Now I'm going to click, I'm gonna search for baby shower. I'm gonna put under baby shower ideas. You wanna put it in under a related board. Oh, here we go. Baby shower games, printable. Here we go, and click publish. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same exact thing for this pin right here, and that's how I get traffic over to a product. I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know down below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Okay, take care and talk to you later. Bye bye.